Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about my professional path from CELTA to DELTA. If you're interested, continue watching this video. Why I decided to record this video? First of all, because I think that it's fair to share with you some credentials, academic credentials that I do have, so that you also have trust to me as an educator online. That was one of those reasons why I decided to share with you, to establish rapport with you as a viewer, and also to show you which certificates and diplomas I do have. And perhaps my path might inspire some of you to do some of those programs. Are you ready? All right, let's go. The first certificate that I would like to talk about is CELTA. You know that I talk about CELTA in some of my videos, and this is the certificate that I got in 2014. This was to certify that I have been awarded the pass grade B in certificate in English language teaching to adults. It was issued by Cambridge English Assessment. That was one of those amazing moments when I received that. I had to wait for the official results, but that was definitely worth it. And I came back to work, to my office. By that time, I had already launched my first business, and I celebrated it with my colleagues. So it was in 2014. I remember that I asked one of my CELTA tutors when would be the best time to continue the journey further and do the DELTA programs. I remember exactly that she mentioned it would be good to start thinking about that after 2 years of applying those approaches and skills that I obtained in CELTA, which was fair. And I do believe that when we invest money into some education, we need to have the return on investment, if that makes sense. And within those 2 years, you have enough time to absorb information, see what works, what doesn't work. And at the same time, you can see whether you need DELTA or whether you need something else. It may also be the case, and I wouldn't say that after CELTA, the next step would be always DELTA. That's not all the time the case, guys. So that would be also useful to consider. All right, then after some years, I think that there were not 2 years because I had different things at work and I was quite busy at work. I decided to dedicate more time to that, and then I had some changes. I relocated to the Netherlands and I started my business from scratch here. And I think that at that point, DELTA was not the priority number one, but I was thinking about that. So let me show you which... All right, let me show you which was the module one. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. So this is my first win in DELTA module 1, and here I got a pass. It was a difficult journey for me, to be honest, and those people who've been watching me for some time, you saw that the first time was a failure, and I successfully failed the exam, I would say. I was sad a little bit, but then I understood that that's my path, and my path should be a little bit longer. Let's put it this way. So I was patient and persistent. I changed the strategy of the preparation for the exam, and eventually it brought me to success. Then I decided not to stop there, and I went to DELTA Module 2. When I was doing Module 2, I was preparing for Module 1 at the same time. I think it was a good decision not to lose a lot of time. Knowledge from DELTA Module 1 that I had already obtained by that time helped me in the assignments that I had to write in Module 2. This is the certificate Developing Professional Practice, and what they write, this is to certify that I have been awarded the pass in DELTA Module 2. So again, Cambridge Assessment English, and it was in October 2020 when I received this certificate. Then I continued my journey with DELTA Module 3. And there are 2 ways which we'll talk about in one of my videos, but I decided to go for DELTA Module 3 ELT Management because my master degree is in Management of Organizations, and I decided that it would be beneficial for me, and I was right. Unexpectedly, I received pass with merit. Why unexpectedly? Because first of all, I'm not a native speaker. Second of all, when I gave my work to be revised by one of my colleagues who is a native speaker, he was surprised with what I shared, and he actually said that there was not so much to be corrected. And eventually, when I received the results, I was incredibly surprised and happy because it's not pass, it's pass with merit. And I heard from my colleagues that it was not easy for many native speakers who were doing Delta Module 3 to get pass with merit. So yeah, that was a really good win, and I'm happy about that. The date of award is December 2020. Well, and my journey eventually finished with the diploma, and the diploma that Cambridge Assessment awarded me with is Cambridge English Level 7 Diploma in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages, which is Delta. So this is how it looks, and this is my name over there, Yulia Demyanchenko. So that's my full name, and the transliteration affects the way it is written here and how I write my name in all my social media. I received it in March 2021. That was my journey from CELTA to Delta. A long one, I would say. I know that many people do CELTA and Delta way shorter, but that was my way. I think there is no ideal path in your ELT journey, and I do believe that your journey is unique, and no matter how long it takes, it should be engaging, good fun, and at the end you should feel sense of achievement. Of course, the return on investment at the end would be a really good bonus. I think that that's also one of those reasons why you want to do this. Not only to master your skills, but also to be well rewarded at work. I wish you good luck. Please drop your messages under this video. I will be very happy to answer all of them. I wish you good luck in your ELT journey and see you in my upcoming videos. Bye!